Good morning, dear ship owner. The wage situation today, it is moving very fast. Supply and demand factors asking local crew make the wages grow because of the demand. First of all, we have a 20% difference between euro and dollar. So all the previous videos I made regarding budgets, now it is a 20% difference in favor of dollar crew budgets. Uh, will this stay like this? I don't really know, but it is a 20% difference. And so then, for example, in the local crew side, there is demand, and we have experienced demand for big local crewing concerns. And if owners start to ask for local crew, obviously supply and demand will move in that direction. But is it more important the health of the seafarers and that eliminate the virus because we have local possibility to making tests, to controlling the travel, to have least time between departing home and arriving to ship. So then we are also reducing the contacts and the risk factor of travel. I believe it is obviously more important. Number one, the health of the crew. So if the prices keep on going up for local crew, I believe it is because we are also reducing in the budget of the travel, which is quite considerable, about let's say an 8%. So this is the variation we have between the variance we have, sorry, between the savings in the travel regarding the wages. And we have experienced this, let's say, 5% increase in wage of the local crew. Some companies even are going harder because they have focused that this is the tendency today to eliminate the risk, have closer crew, and this was not before. So this is the tendency of the wages today. Before, it was difficult to have top engineers and electricians. Now it is times a factor coronavirus, which then means that the probability of finding good engineer, officers and electricians is becoming a possibility. So it is harder and harder. But we can improve this local focus, and that's why you need to have a local crew management, which we are throughout the world, and but digital company because we have the applications of the seafarers, and together we can pull the strategic digital alliance and the economies of scales of our pools. Our huge database will help you keep these costs, but most important, it is the health of the crew. And also that means that the operation of the ships and the assets will not have any risk at all. Therefore, the long-term business will continue. So that is how my small brain sees today, that we have to focus more in local crew. We have to not look so much at the budget, and we have to look very much at the health of the seafarers and controlling if there is short contracts for the crew. Perhaps we have to extend this a little bit more so that we reduce the number of risks of contacts that there are for external and internal infections on board ships. So we have to reduce this, and we have to account if before in a month we had, let's say, 20 crew reliefs, let's try to have the least possible and talk to the crew, because it is the health of the crew, sorry, that we are looking at. So like if it is our home, we have to reduce the contacts the most possible. If it is zero, perfect, but it will not never be like that. But we have to control and account how many we have reduced. I believe that if we speak frankly to the crew members, that they already understand that the health of the seafarers is the most important factor. And this is the tendency today, dear ship owner, about wages. So in reality, the title should be ship owner, health and wages. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Goodbye.